Is your staircase looking a little too plain this holiday season? Imagine turning it into a festive centerpiece that wows your guests the moment they walk in. From lush greenery to sparkling lights, let's explore stunning ideas to make your staircase the talk of the town. Stay tuned. What are the best ornament ideas for staircase decor? Introduction. Ornaments aren't just for trees. They can make your staircase sparkle and shine in creative ways. Point 1. Hanging ornaments from the banister. Attach ornaments to the garland with ribbons or hooks. Choose colors and shapes that complement your overall theme. Vary the lengths of ribbons for a cascading effect. Point 2. Ornaments on the steps. Line the edges of your steps with large, shatterproof ornaments. Arrange them in clusters for a bolder look. Mix matte, glossy, and glitter finishes for added texture. Point 3. DIY ornament displays. Use clear ornaments to create personalized designs with confetti or photos. Attach these to the spindles or garland for a unique touch. Add mini bells or stars for a whimsical twist. CTA. Want to see more decor ideas? Check out the playlist in the description for similar videos. What are some final touches to complete your Christmas staircase decor? Introduction. The finishing touches can make your staircase truly magical and cohesive. Point 1. Add scented decor. Use cinnamon sticks or dried orange slices as part of your garland. Place scented pine cones or sachets near the base of the stairs. Light a nearby Christmas-scented candle to complement the decor. Point 2. Incorporate seasonal figures. Add mini Santa, snowman, or reindeer figurines on alternating steps. Use nutcrackers for a more traditional touch. Include faux gift boxes tied with ribbons at the base of the staircase. Point 3. Sprinkle faux snow. Use artificial snow on the garland, steps, or base of the staircase. Pair with twinkling lights for a frosty, magical effect. Be mindful to use eco-friendly or biodegradable options. Ready to create a show-stopping staircase? Check the description for all the items featured in this video. How can you create a cohesive color theme for your staircase? Introduction. Choosing the right color palette ties your staircase decor together beautifully. Point 1. Go monochromatic. Stick to one main color like silver, gold, or red for an elegant look. Use varying shades and textures to add depth. Pair with neutral greenery to keep the focus on your chosen hue. Point 2. Classic red and green. Combine traditional holiday colors for a warm, nostalgic vibe. Use red ribbons, green garlands, and white accents like snowflakes. Balance bold colors with subtle metallics like gold or silver. Point 3. Modern metallics. Opt for metallic tones like gold, silver, and rose gold. Incorporate reflective ornaments and glittering accents. Use clear fairy lights to enhance the metallic sheen. CTA. For more inspiration like this, check out similar videos in the description. How can you personalize your Christmas staircase decor? Introduction. Adding personal touches to your staircase makes the decor feel unique and meaningful. Point 1. Family-themed elements. Hang small photo frames with family pictures from the Garland. Add monogrammed ornaments for each family member. Include stockings or tags with everyone's names. Point 2. DIY crafts. Create paper snowflakes or mini wreaths with your kids. Use homemade ornaments made from salt dough or wood slices. Display your crafts proudly along the staircase. Point 3. Themed decor for pets. Hang tiny stockings or ornaments featuring your pet's name. Use paw print-shaped ornaments as accents. Place a pet-safe garland or toy near the bottom step. Looking for the products I used? Check the description for links. How can ribbons and bows enhance your staircase decorations? Introduction. Ribbons and bows are inexpensive yet impactful elements that can instantly elevate your holiday staircase decor. Point 1. Wrap the banister in ribbon. Use wide, wired ribbon in festive colors like red, gold, or plaid. Layer 2 ribbons for a textured, luxurious look. Drape or spiral the ribbon along the banister for different styles. Point 2. Add oversized bows. Place large bows at the start and end of the banister. Use glitter or metallic ribbons for extra sparkle. Incorporate hanging bells or ornaments from the bow's center. Point 3. Mix ribbons with greenery. Tie small bows along your garland or greenery bundles. Choose contrasting colors to make the bows pop. Use ribbon tails to add a flowing, dynamic element to your design. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video full of festive inspiration. How can lights elevate your staircase decor? Introduction. Lighting creates warmth and magic during Christmas, and your staircase is the perfect place to let it shine. Point 1. String lights. Along the banister. Wrap warm white or colorful string lights around your garland. Opt for battery-operated lights for a hassle-free setup. Use twinkle mode for an enchanting, festive effect. Point 2. Lanterns on the steps. Place decorative lanterns on alternating steps. Use LED candles for a cozy glow without the risk of fire. Add faux snow or ornaments inside the lanterns for extra flair. Point 3. Fairy lights in glass containers. Position jars or vases filled with fairy lights along the staircase base. Incorporate decorative elements like faux snow or miniature trees inside. Choose lights with a timer function for effortless ambiance. Tell me in the comments which lighting idea you're excited to try first. How can greenery transform your staircase for Christmas? Introduction. Greenery is a classic way to bring holiday spirit to your staircase. It's timeless, versatile, and can be easily customized. Point 1. Garland for the railing. Wrap fresh or faux garlands around the banister for a lush, festive look. Add accents like pine cones, red berries, or ornaments to enhance the theme. Secure the garland with ribbons or ties that match your color scheme. Point 2. Add eucalyptus or holly mix in eucalyptus for a modern and refreshing touch. Use sprigs of holly with berries for a traditional Christmas vibe. Drape these additions sporadically for a natural, layered effect. Point 3. Vertical greenery displays. Hang small greenery bundles vertically along the staircase spindles. Use twine or festive ribbons to secure them for added charm. Alternate between greenery and mini ornaments for visual interest. Love these ideas? Like and share this video with fellow Christmas enthusiasts. Conclusion. Transforming your staircase into a festive masterpiece is easier than you think. From lush greenery to twinkling lights and personal touches, your options are endless. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and happy decorating!